just kitty. He's just kitty. Hello there. Hi there. Sniff his butt. Hi there, Kilroy. Kilroy, what's over here? Is this little Effingham? Effingham? I don't know. I don't know. Effingham is a big name for a little kitty. What do you think, guys? What's this? What's this? Look at that. Hi. Who's there? Hello. Hello, baby. How are you? Who's the kitty in the here? Kilroy? Hello. What do you think? What do you think there? You guys know how to use a computer? What's that? Look at that. Who's that? What's that? What is this? What you looking at? You don't like the wind, do you, Kilroy? It's scary. But you like the kitty. You like kitty. You guys just met. Kilroy, you make a good big brother. You do. Hey, guys. Come on. What's wrong? Don't be afraid of the wind, Kilroy. The kitty will protect you. Are you protecting him? Oh, there he goes. Go see this. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Lie down. Lie down, Kilroy, so you're not too scary. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down, Kilroy. Yeah, kitty's telling you to get lost. Just lie down and leave him alone then. See, he just told you off. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. The little kitty just told you. Huh? Yeah, he just told you again. Okay, so leave him alone. It's okay, kitty. You know what? Kitty wants you out of his face, okay? So get out of his face. Get out of his face. It's okay. Get out of his face. Get out of Kitty's face. Are you okay, Kitty? Okay, Kelly, get lost. Go away. You should know when you're not wanted. Okay, baby, it's all yours. It's just you and the teddy bear. You gonna beat him up too?